Let me see if I can keep this under 3 so we can make it a short. All right, so during this snowstorm that we got, with all this whiteness, we got like a foot of snow. Well, one of our sows had a fresh litter of piglets, and they're so cute. Let's go see them. Ducks on guard. I don't know if they're gonna let me get in there to see them. They're all keeping them warm together. Four new little piglets in there. These guys won't let me see them. How many we got? Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 of them. 1 black one and 3 white ones. Oh, no way.